Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Let's say no to wrinkles. Experts told how to preserve youth and beauty. Some girls have fine wrinkles at the age of 20. Should you deal with early skin changes? Experts have expressed their opinion, according to the media. There are several reasons why wrinkles appear on the face in adolescence. Active facial expressions. Emotional, smiling, sincere girls see wrinkles in the mirror early on. And the first to be drawn are the crow's feet around the eyes. Long-term exposure to the sun. The sun's rays are the worst friends of women's skin, although girls themselves love to sunbathe. This effect destroys collagen and elastin, and it is they that make the skin elastic. Vision problems. Squinting to see something in the distance plays a cruel joke with the skin. If you do this regularly, hypertonicity of the circular muscle of the eye will develop, and this is the direct cause of wrinkles. Rough care. Only products with gentle ingredients can be applied around the eyes. If there's aggressive cosmetics, the skin ages quickly. What to do to prevent wrinkles from appearing? Facial gymnastics is an excellent prevention of early wrinkles. You need to do simple exercises regularly, and blood circulation in the upper layers of the skin will increase. They will be hydrated and look young. Be sure to use creams with SPF protection. They will protect you from drying by the sun's rays and burns. The thin skin around the eyes must be looked after with the help of special products, designed specifically for this area. With poor eyesight, it is worth wearing glasses, even better, contact lenses that will not harm your appearance and hide problems with viewing distant objects. With high-quality optics, you don't have to squint and then get rid of wrinkles. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.